Two overhead cranes can lift the same load, but the way they connect to your building can change the whole workshop layout. A top-running overhead crane runs on rails mounted on top of the runway beams. An under-running overhead crane is suspended below the runway beams. So the real question is not only which crane you want, it is where the load goes, how much hook height you need, and how much floor space you can give up. With a top-running overhead crane, the bridge travels above the runway beam. It is commonly used for heavier loads, higher lifting requirements, and future expansion. A common capacity range is 10 to 100 tons or higher. With an under-running overhead crane, the crane hangs below the runway structure. It is useful where floor space is limited or where added columns would interfere with equipment and material flow. Under-running systems are mostly used for light to medium loads, commonly from 1 to 10 tons. Now look at the support system. Top-running often needs runway beams and columns, or a building support system strong enough to carry the load. Under-running can keep the floor more open, but only if the roof or upper structure is qualified for the suspended load. This creates the main trade-off. Top-running usually gives better available hook height. Under-running usually protects more floor area. That is why two 5-ton projects can choose different systems. A water plant expansion used a 5-ton top-running overhead crane. The installation area has large space and relatively low requirements for ground layout flexibility, but high requirements for lifting equipment, stability, hook height, and span utilization. A fire pump room used a 5-ton under-running overhead crane. In this project, an under-running crane was selected based on the building's structure and operational needs. The steel frame was strong enough to support the crane load from above, allowing ceiling-mounted layout without floor columns. So choose by the building first. For higher capacity, better hook height, and future scalability, check top-running overhead crane. For clear floor space, compact suspended layout, and light to medium capacity, check under-running overhead crane. The right crane starts with the building.